Hey, what do we have here? The wheels and tires. Hey, they just came back from the body shop in a new color. I'm gonna take the bubble wrap off in a minute and I'll show you what we have. So excited. There you go. Look at that. Boom. We got them done in candy apple red. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna install the brake discs back as they should be, the sprockets and everything else. Put the wheels back on the bike, adjust the chain, and yeah, put it all back together. The old girl will have new rubbers and new colorful wheels. So excited. We've put the brake disc on, and also we've replaced all the old rusty bolts with titanium, brand new titanium one, in black as well, so matches the surround of that disc. We're gonna do the front one as well and put the sprocket, and yeah, installation. I thought it was a good idea, before I'm gonna install the front brake discs and also the sprocket on the rear wheels, to seal this fresh paint with the ceramic coat, basically until I ever gonna take the wheels off again. They will be protected, at least the fresh paint, it will be protected. So what we're doing now is basically applying the pre-clean on the wheel. So this will take all the impurification or imperfections or dust or stuff like that, because once the ceramic coat is on, is basically sealed. The paint will be sealed, so there's no need for anything else to be done. So we've done this side. We're gonna turn it now on this side. Like that for the time being, and we'll do the rear one, and when we apply the ceramic coat, we do both at the same time. If I've got enough ceramic coat, later on I will probably do the whole bike, make it all nice and shiny. So right, we've done this side of the wheel. I'm going to turn it around. Put it on one side, and bring the front wheel down. So I'm going to wipe all the pre-clean now dust off, and then we're going to take a fresh pad. I'm going to take this fresh pad and apply the ceramic. Oh gosh, this one stinks. Ceramic coat Williams. This is for Formula 1 stuff. Yeah, should be pretty good. Well, this one is now done. I'm going to put it on one side and we're going to bring the rear wheel. Now we're going to apply the ceramic. I really hope it make a difference, otherwise it's a pointless exercise. So we're going to take each spoke and we're going to rub it in properly. Now done this side, we're going to turn it around. So by the time we finish this one, we're going to leave it to dry out slightly, and we're going to wipe off the front wheel. Right, I'm pretty happy. What we've used is ceramic coat from Williams Racing Professional Paint Protection. Right, gonna put this on one side. Gonna bring down the front one, and we're gonna wipe the excess, and that should be done. So now that has been done, I'm pretty happy. So I'd like you guys to see, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result. As you can see, I've got brand new tyres. Pirelli Angel Street. Apparently they're very good in all kind of condition, apart from obviously track and off-road. Normal road, normal riding, and also you're caught in the rain. That should work pretty well, those tyres. So we're going to finish off the rear wheel. Does look very good, to be fair. I'm really happy. Wow, that is really come out really well. So see, I'm not sure if the light is very well, but the red pops, really pops. Really nice. Really nice. So now we're gonna put the front brake discs on. Now we need to do this side. We have the sprocket back on, the front discs both back on, the rear disc back on. So what we're going to do now is tidy up this mess. we have things everywhere, so we're going to tidy up a little bit, and then we're going to put the wheels back on the bike. Look at this black beauty, fellas. Now the R6 is all back together, the wheels are back on, the colour looks amazing. Just look at it. I'm really pleased with the colour. This is the end result. I'm really pleased with the colour and how the bike looks now with the red candy apple red wheels. What do you guys think? Brand new tyres, brand new colourful wheels. Well, the wheels are not brand new, but the colour is. There you go. Look at that. Really happy with the result. Looks awesome. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me some thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And don't forget the little bell